Hey, your boy over here looking, right? Come to find out, I didn't have the radio trim. That's also why the piece that I have, I bought the original, you know, the first time, the original piece, is too small because the radio trim is not there. Didn't even know. Okay, what up, what up? We back. Finally got the 1/4 inch polycarbonate, Lexan, whatever you want to call it. Thick. You see how much thicker it is from this, right? Guys, I didn't have the radio trim, so yeah, hopefully I measured it enough and this will be, it look right, look cool. Also too, this was a little bit too flexy, so needed some rigidness. So now what we're gonna do, we got about like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, maybe a good three mess ups we can do on this. Oh yeah, this camera angle, I got a little hat clip. I took that idea from Street Speed 717. Sorry Street Speed, my boy, sorry. But this is a good setup though. You could just mount it directly on the hat. Good for driving too. Come on, who's calling me doing the vlog? My boy Red. What up, Yankee?
Yo, what's the damn deal, doodle?
Hey, you on a vlog, bro? Right in the middle of it.
Oh, bro.
Super duper right in the middle of it right now.
Niggas is broadcasting live.
Oh, super broadcasting live right now.
Yeah.
I'm over here making a new little plate that, damn man, somebody didn't kill the drill.
You just vlogging right now?
Yeah. What you finna do?
I ain't doing nothing. I'm just watching. I was watching the Medicis on Netflix for a minute. Just got off work like a couple hours ago, and now I'm just chilling. Jump on this YouTube right after I get off the phone and see what's going on around town.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. But other than that, man, just kicking back. It's a beautiful ass beginning of May. It feels bomb outside right now. It's not hot or nothing.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty cool.
That's about it, my boy. What you gonna be over there just doing your blogs and stuff for now?
Yeah, just filming. That's it.
Alright, for sure. Well, shit, hit me up when you get done then.
All right, Kai.
Alright, for sure.
All right, peace.
Alright, go.
All right. Okay, already did the other hole. Got a good drill bit. Power drill, new too. One thing I learned that no one, taught me, when you cutting stuff, never push the blade. Let the blade do the work itself. So let the blade cut. Don't ever just like force stuff. That's how you get tools running away from you. Alright, that was pretty much smooth. Now let's go set in the car and see where we have to drill the other holes. Yep, it is hitting. Alright, so we're gonna have to cut some off on each side, like a little triangle, to get it to fit up. Alright, we got everything cut. All the hoses lining up. We didn't close the gap like I thought I was, you know, this right here. But we can always add some like little cushion. I forgot the name of it though, but I can fill that gap up also. But yeah, it looks good. It looks real good. So no more flex. Just gotta, I have to do one more thing though. On the wire, I have to find out where I'm gonna run. Have to make a slit somewhere where I'm gonna run the box, because I don't want to run it like directly. Well, I actually can. Yeah, I can do that. I can just run it up over. So yeah, let me just take these screws out. Yeah, and I can just run that wire up and over here. So yeah, I'm gonna sand this area right here so it'll be smooth. So the wires is gonna be like this. Send there, and the wires will come up over like that, and that'll be that. Oh, that look good. Okay, so now plate is on there looking nice. Connect this. Now wait, let me see. Run the wires like this. Oops. Up and over. Run these wires. Come on. Oh, damn. Want to be a butt. Come on. Get in there. Alright, and it'll stick like right there. There we go. That's nice though. Like that a lot. Okay, so let this hang for a little bit, and we're gonna put some of the screws in to the center console to hold it up. Is it even going through? GoPro, stop recording. Okay, we're pulling the last piece of the 3M sticky tape. And we want to get this perfect. Okay, so this is how it's looking though. Oh, that looks so sick. Hold on, I don't know if you guys can see that right. It's a glare. Hold on. This. Check that out though. That's looking heavy right there, bro. So sick. So now we just have to wait for the cluster to get here and we can do the shift light mod on that. So catch you guys back in a little bit. Got everything right, straight. I still have to wire this wire to ground. I'll go this way. Oh, nope. This way, Rico, this way. Alright, that's cool. I'm gonna wire that up to the ground wire. But yeah, everything's straight. Got the hole on top. If I wanted to take the gauge on and off, all I gotta do is disconnect that. Real simple. Let me show you guys. The sun is kind of down so you can see it. But you can see no matter what, because that's LED. This LED is like super bright. So here's the startup. Here's how it looks, matching RPMs. Now, if you want to see the lights go off, here, brightness, dimmer, activation. I had it activated at 6,000, but we're gonna drop it all the way down to like 3. That's cool. And then every time you find your setting and you press the button inwards, the lights will go off like that. All right, so now we got everything set, and that's how it looks when it goes off. And this is just like a quick rough, you know, like I don't even have everything adjusted right. Off, and box cut off, and that's that, baby. Yeah, that's my shift light setup. I'm about to put my bezel, you know, put this ground wire up, and hey, I love it. So, you know, you want to copy, you know, you want to do what I did. Just be careful when you're doing the cutting, because the little plate is, you know, kind of fragile, brittle. You know, you can snap it pretty easy. The sickest shift light to me you can find, besides I don't know, I'm more into OEM clusters. You know, that's why I haven't bought a digital gauge, because I like OEM, like, you know, mechanical gauges over digital. I'm sorry, I know you can do all type of graphics with digital, but mechanical for the win, bro. Nothing fucking with mechanical gauges. I know you can't rev out to, like, well, on this particular chassis right here, you can't rev out to about like 9 or 10, but I'm not revving that high anyway, so I'm revving to 8. So when I get all retuned on Honda S300 and all that, I'll be revving to 8. So I have to reset all this. Loving the shift light, bro. Sick. Do I recommend it? Heck yes. So yes, I recommend this shift light. And as far as I know, hey, I'm the only one in the Honda game with the Chippernut shift light, you know, set up like this. Loving the polycarbonate block off plate. So sick. Oh my gosh, it's a 1/4 inch thick too, so no flex at all. I'll have to try to put all this on real quick before we don't have that much of a window for the light though. But this your boy SI Rico. Rate, comment, subscribe, and hey, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.
Welcome.